Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, because here we have to again scroll down to the very bottom to find build number. Right now let's keep tapping on it until we will activate the developer options. As you can see, we have to confirm it with the pattern and we are in the developer mode. It is very important because there we can find proper options. So let's enter the system right now. Let's tap on advanced and enter developer options. And as you can see, here we've got automatic system updates option, which is right now turned off. So if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not have to do it manually, just remember about restarting. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Motorola Moto G51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.